In this video, I'm going to show you how to download free CC songs from Google Chrome quickly and safely, using websites that offer copyright-free or Creative Commons music. This is a great method if you need music for videos, podcasts, presentations, or personal projects, and you want to avoid copyright problems. Before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software and web tutorials just like this. Now let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can use Chrome on Windows, Mac, or even a Chromebook, so this method works on most devices. Once Chrome is open, click into the search bar at the top and search for a reliable platform that provides copyright-free or Creative Commons music. A couple of popular options are Pixabay Music and the Internet Archive. These platforms are commonly used because they make it easy to browse tracks that are safe to use, depending on the license. Once you're on the website, take a moment to make sure you are on the correct page and not a random result. This is important because when you're downloading free music online, you always want to use trusted sources. After that, look for the search bar on the site. In the search bar, type a genre or mood that matches the kind of music you want. For example, you can type lo-fi, upbeat, cinematic, calm, instrumental, or relaxed. This helps narrow down the results so you can find a song that fits your project. After you search, browse through the list of available tracks. Most of these websites will show you the title, length, and sometimes even the type of license or usage terms. If you're not sure which track to choose, click the play button and preview the song first. This is a really helpful step because it lets you hear the audio before downloading it, so you can make sure the style, tempo, and overall feel are right for what you need. When you find a song you like, look for the download button next to the track. Click it, and the MP3 file should start downloading directly to your device. Depending on the site, the file may save automatically to your Downloads folder, or your browser may ask you where you want to save it. If that happens, just choose the location you prefer and confirm the download. After the download finishes, you can open the file to make sure it's saved properly and plays correctly. At this point, you've successfully downloaded free CC music using Google Chrome. If the website provides licensing details, it's always a good idea to review them so you know exactly how the song can be used, especially if you're planning to use it in a video that will be published online. So to recap, open Google Chrome, search for a trusted Creative Commons or copyright-free music platform, type in a genre or mood, preview the track, and then click download to save the MP3. It's simple, fast, and beginner-friendly. If this video helped you, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials, tips, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.